pup with me. This is Sam. We're about to head up to North Georgia. We're gonna do some riding with some friends. We made it off the highway, so we're doing a little bit of off-roading now. This is Walking Stick Road. It's it on the map. One good thing I like about these square body dashboards is, you know, you can put your radio up there, you can put your iPad up there. I mean, there's so much real estate.
Lights on the road.
Park, reverse, neutral, overdrive. My indicator, my column's got some issues. Are you having fun, Sam?
Big graveyard.
Cool. Little. I don't know if you can see it there, but the boy's getting a little sideways. So we'll see how we do. Poor low has been engaged. So let's see what the old BLAZER will do. Okay, I think we're in 4 low. I think. Okay, this is a mess right here. Very, very twisted up.
You are flexed to the max back here. I guess that logs or that rock.
It popped your tail light out. I'm trying to just get it unplugged and take it off right now.
Slater Rock Shop on the scene. Get you a screw and driver if you need it.
We might need a flathead.
Well, perfect. So just back up.
Look what I did. That might snap in and one of these might hold. So
okay.
So that way.
What do you charge for this?
Oh,
an
this
hour
right here,
rate, or do you?
This is we're on vacation now, so this is on non-profit. Little carnage. I think it's time for a Bob flatbed.
Like creek that basically runs down this road almost. It's always got running water on it every time I've been on it. So. Ice. What do you think, Sam? We having fun? All right, let's try this. That's part, that's 1, that's 2. No front axle? I mean, the drive shaft's spinning. So yeah, we only got 2-wheel drive, so we're just gonna wait on them and get a little tug up this little hill. Bummer. Might be something wrong with the diff, but we'll find out.
Oh, we're here. Slater Rock Shop Recovery's got you covered. Straight out of Marietta, son. We're here.
Got the Power Wagon hooked up. I'm ready. Look at that. Isn't that nice? We're on the gravel now and headed back towards the highway. I think we're going to hit up another little Forest Service road before we take it back to the house. It's about 1 o'clock. Whoa, look at that.
Wow, I haven't seen one like that.
All right, we just took a ride on the Caney Fork Road, and they say there's a legend of, I'm probably gonna mess it up, butcher it, but legend of Junakula, some sort of slant-eyed giant that terrorized this park. And so anyway, that's where we are, Caney Fork Road. We're gonna go look at Junakula Rock, where this monster used to hang out, evidently. Beautiful country. Got some cows up here. That's where we're going, Junakula Rock. Still having fun, Sam? She says she is.
And then there's some story over here about a giant, like you can supposedly see the games and the giant courthouse.
Slant-eyed giant who lived up high in the Balsam Mountains.
Where's the hand?
Junakula. Right,
Okay, I feel like I kind of see it.
right there.
I would expect it to be larger.
Right there.
There's more up here. It's gonna be great.
Got some more ice and then a little creek crossing here. That's pretty cool. And the road did not go any further. So now we're all turning around and we are, thoroughly back in the woods. It's currently dark.
Oh yeah, we are behind y'all.
Okay, they're right behind us. It's dark. I told my wife I'd be home by dark. Yeah. Anyway, I can try to ease on back towards the house. But tell me what you think below. What should I do with it? Thanks for watching Winch Outdoors on YouTube.